What's up, guys? We are back here with another Everything's Regular video, man. We are back here with another one. We are on our way to the auction, man. My buddy who got the last bike on camera just picked up another bike, and it just happens to be out here in Vegas. So he's already at the auction. We're on our way up there to link him right now, help him get it all loaded up, and just see what he got, you know. I think he actually got, you guys seen my blue in a 2011. I actually, you know, surprised I got rid of that one like last week, and then I just got another one today. So this one is in Atlanta. I'm hoping I can get it here pretty soon, man. We're just waiting on some shipping, but other than that, man, you know, bike life. We're on our way to the auction right now to check out my boy's bike, man. He got like a 2012 Road Glide, a pretty nice one. So, you know, we'll see what happens. Let's check it out. Alrighty, I see the homie. I see it, the bike. I see the truck. He over there looking like he hot in the sun right now, dog. Man. Ooh, nigga didn't do that again. What's the deal, man? What happened?
He said like the little 3 line in the back, that's what's missing, because the light hanging right here. You got a piece that snap on.
Oh,
that's the only thing missing, that in the seat fender.
Hi, this thing A1 though.
I looked at the frame.
Got some nice little bars on here, y'all. I remember y'all saying last time. How many times did he say bars? He got some performance machine grips. Whoever had the bike liked the bike. Looked pretty decent.
Big ass cup holder.
Yeah, got the cup holder on there. I ain't even seen that on these yet. That's cool. Ain't nobody got that. This ain't nothing right there. Cool little get down, everything up here. I'm sure everything worked. It turned right on. Let me hear this joint real quick, man. Real quick for the one time. Woo! Yes, sir. We just got to get an air breather, and looks like back here somebody ran into the back of them or something, and just got to get a fender there. Get these pipes. Now the pipes seem pretty cool. I think whoever had it lowered it.
Hey, that's what I said.
Yeah, whoever had it lowered it for sure. He has some stretch bags on it,
For sure.
and he lowered it on me. But it sound good though, man. Got the little LED lights and everything. Let's see how many miles. 16,000 miles. 16,000. What the heck? You won 16K on the dash. Ooh. You said what now? Hey, how you work the radio? I don't know how to work the stock one, man.
How you turn the...
Oh, right here. Yeah.
I'm trying to turn to something else.
You gotta go to
Don't burn your leg in.
yeah. Fucking, you gotta switch it to AM. But yeah, this thing is running pretty good. It's running real good, actually. Cut it off if you want.
Yeah, hold on. AM, fuck it.
Yeah, nah, you good, bro.
I'm not fucking. It is
Nigga is on this weekend. This thing could be out literally. All you gotta do is wash this thing down. It's gonna look brand new. You already know what to do with the chrome. You're gonna bring all that shit out. Fairing, you already got that. Fender, you can literally go to BBV and find one of these for the low right now, nigga. For the low ski. And then he for sure lowered this shit, bro.
Yeah, look at the low ass air shot.
Yeah, he for sure lowered it.
Why is it so much?
But this cool though, man. Let's go get the trailer. Alrighty, just pulled up to U-Haul. Gotta get a trailer for that bad boy. Let's get this thing done. Alrighty, guys, so we got the trailer just about loaded up, man. We're about to go back, meet him at the auction, and get this thing loaded up and send him off on his way. But man, I got another bike, guys. I can't wait for you guys to see this thing. It is definitely the top of the line of its class, so stay tuned for that. Just now pulling back up, man. This is what it feel like to have a big truck with a trailer on the back. Feel like the man. Feel like you about to get some work done or something. Yes, sir. I doubt I could back this thing up, but we'll try it out. And just like that, guys, we are back. Hopping on this thing. I'm surprised he ain't trying to ride this motherfucker. Oh, yeah. Yeah, for sure, whoever had this, they had this thing slammed to the ground. Some huge little cockbacks though. These are actually,
Like the keys out the front. Took the lights out the back. That's why he unbolted this. I thought this broke from falling. He unbolted that shit because he had a good ass intake. Because I see that fucking dyno shit.
Oh yeah.
So I know.
He had some decent stuff on it.
Probably took the bags with the music for sure.
Oh yeah.
Ain't no way both bags are fucked up. But this still good. Like this even with
Right.
that shit.
Yeah, nah, we gonna see what this thing clean up. Like these bars is it though. I really like them.
Yeah, I said it. I'm like,
That's A1. A1. So you say you about to take the fender off? Cause it can't move, huh?
I ain't tried it, but I don't know. That's tired.
Oh, okay. How did they bring it out? Oh, okay. That's cool. Get her done, y'all. Damn, it was hot as fuck up there, man.
Yeah, I'm fucking excited. At least this shit run, crank right the fuck up.
Yeah, you ain't gotta worry. You ain't gotta worry about none of that shit.
That shit.
That's an easy call. Got that fat back tire back there now, be not.
For real.
Yeah, that's hard.
I'm fucking excited. I can't even think.
Nigga got a headache all over. Oh, I know. Trust me. I'm surprised he ain't try to ride it in the parking lot.
I'm mad. I said, damn, I should have took the tools out.
Yeah.
Damn, I should have took the tools out.
Man, niggas got it though.
Even if I slide back in less than an hour, I'll still get home before 10.
Definitely got the big 103 on there.
I can always sit down at 10.
It sound good.
You know everybody be building 113.
Yeah, for sure.
Fuck one of them over.
We're gonna see.
These fucking fucking blue things.
No, that part.
If you knock somebody off, then everybody look up to this rat.
It's a wrap. I can't wait, man. I can't wait for y'all to see that bike I got, man. The Hummy bike is nice too. Came up. What is these little 21s?
That's what I was trying to roll the wheel. I think it is.
Nigga, these is 21s, bro.
I'm just rapping.
On me. You got the 21s on there. Do that chrome stuff to every spoke. That thing gonna be shining, boy. Just like that in the parking lot. Got the little back piece off. This like the little bracket. I don't know if they fell off and this thing flipped a bunch of different ways. Who really knows? But a couple more bolts to go. We'll have this fender off. We in this Vegas heat working today, dog.
What?
Got a cup for your coffee. Using all that. I need all that. What? I didn't even know they had them. What? All them drinks a nigga didn't spill.
Man, trying to hold on.
What? Almost got it. Almost with the get down.
I'm so glad I'm a seller and not a buyer, dude.
Hey, man. Niggas don't know what they would do with this. They be like, man. Alright, so where I start?
What should I approach first?
Dude. Pump up, put some air in his back tire, you be good. That's why it's so low. It's tire damn near flat.
Nah, he got these little ass
No,
shocks,
he do
bro,
though
for
too.
sure.
The shocks for sure.
Baby ass shocks. These is not
sure.
no grown man shocks. We got the buttons and shit down, so I know he was short. That's what it is.
Oh yeah, he was riding like they ape hangers. That's for sure what it is.
He probably got this seat over here.
All right, after a few snug and tugs, man, got this crankled up thing off. It was definitely holding the wheel up, I'm sure. And then you could have cut yourself, but we got that out the way. So it's literally ready to go. Don't even look damaged in the back or nothing like that. So that's a plus. Alrighty guys, we're gonna test this thing out, man. We got the fender off, so that's what was stopping it from what it looks like. Back wheel is a little bit low, but we'll at least get to ride it around slowly. But if we look closely, man, this thing has a Dyno Jet tuner on this thing. So this thing may have some serious power on it, I'm thinking. So I think you lucked up with this one, man. I think you lucked up with this one, dog. And this one's been sitting on the auction block for a while. You can tell with all the dust sitting on it. But man, just wait till you throw some wash and some foam on this thing. It's gonna be shined up, looking like a whole completely like different bike.
gonna slam your brakes. You see
Oh,
how
so
slick
it's
that
locked
is on
up.
there?
Yeah, it's locked up on there. Yeah, nah. We'll roll it up. At least you know that's your issue. The brakes locked up. Oh, nigga, that's what it is. The brake's not even locked up, bro. I mean, that is too, but the whole rim. Look, the rim is hitting the caliper right here.
Oh, shit. Yeah, that's what it is.
The rim is bent.
Yeah.
So that's what it is, y'all. Rim is bent, hitting the caliper. We'll be good to go after that. So now that we noticed the rim is bent here, we're actually just gonna take the caliper off and see if that'll get us some roller action or something like that. So for the best here. There it is, yank mob. Yank mob, game time. Game time. Bet you this thing roll like no other down. Let's see.
This is fun.
Hey, man. It is what it is, man. Yeah. See, now you good. Just making sure this shit don't drag. Back you up. About to ride it, y'all. Shit hit it. The rim is hitting on the frame. Here, I got you. Yeah, it's too much to back that thing up, so he just rolled it around. Up here, man. Dang, pipe scraping the back. Low right. Oh, wow. Wow. All right, you see. And just like that, guys, we got this thing loaded up, man. We had to do some pushing because it was so low, it was burning rubber. Hey, man. Yeah, man, we got it loaded up, though. Figured out the problem. All it needs is a back rim right here. Throw the caliper back on. Get some new shocks to rise that back end up. And you're pretty much good to go. The fairing, of course, that's nothing. And a little like air cleaner, air breather right there. That's literally nothing either. So another score here at the auction, guys. We are here at Iaai right now. Have to get it all locked in before we can even push it up the ramp. So got this joint loaded up, y'all. Your boy out here tied in about 107-degree heat, but it's done. It's on its way back to LA. Hopefully by the time we get down there, we'll see this thing on the road cleaned up and everything, which I'm pretty sure he's gonna have it done by tomorrow. But yeah, guys, another one. Be sure to check out the homie channel. Alrighty, guys, we just finished up helping the bro out, man. He's on his way back to LA. So we'll get to see how clean that thing looks. I can't wait. However, as for my bike, man, I sold the blue Road Glide I just got. Just sold that one, and I just won another one at the auction today. It was kind of dreadful because I almost had like a 2017. I don't know what was up with the bidding thing, but it stopped bidding when I wanted to bid. But I did cop a CVO, a 2012 CVO, so we'll see how this thing comes out. It looks, man. I can't wait.